Fanuc ROBOCUT is a versatile all-rounder that will do the majority of your everyday electrical discharge machining on the same setup. ROBOCUT provides maximum machining performance for minimal per-unit costs. Its simple design ensures high reliability and ease of use. Fanuc's unique AWF2 automatic wire feed technology ensures fast automatic wire feed in just 10 seconds. Comprising very few components, the wire feed mechanism is built for maximum reliability and easy maintenance. Unlike other machines, ROBOCUT does not need to return to the starting point after a wire break. With AWF2, rethreading takes place automatically along the cutting path close to the breakpoint. AWF2 can be used for hard and soft wire types on vertical and taper cutting. Designed for seamless unmanned machining, ROBOCUT comes with 60 hours of wire as standard. For even more output, this can be extended to 140 hours simply by adding the 30 kg spool and wire cutter. Fanuc's proprietary PCD generator enables easy, high-precision machining of regular as well as poorly conducting materials. Support for a rotary axis enables virtual sculptured surfaces and complex parts to be machined without exerting mechanical force on the workpiece. This makes ROBOCUT an effective solution for small diameter parts and a great alternative to traditional polishing or turning methods. Thanks to thermal displacement compensation, ROBOCUT also consistently machines to the same exacting standards despite room temperature fluctuations. Maintaining wire tension to an accuracy of plus or minus 15 grams, twin servo wire tension control ensures consistent machining by preventing wire position errors. The centerpiece of every Fanuc ROBOCUT is the most reliable CNC in the world. Ideally suited to challenging wire EDM applications, Fanuc's 31i WB control supports up to 7 axes or 6 simultaneously controlled axes. Smart onboard functionality includes AI corner control for step shapes and corner cutting, MF2 microfinish for extremely fine edges and mirror finish surfaces, high-speed cutting for speeds up to 330 millimeters squared per minute using 0.30 millimeter diameter coated wire. 3D rotation function compensates for workpiece inclination and rotation. AI impulse control for minimal wire breaks at high speeds and under difficult conditions. Continuous collision protection for up to 7 axes. CAM-I makes programming conical, non-conical, and 4-axis machining routines easy. Link-I for remote monitoring of up to 32 machines simultaneously. Pre-seal self-cleaning reduces cleaning time to less than an hour a week. ROBOCUT is designed to save energy. Features such as the power monitor, energy saving function, and power regeneration keep energy consumption to an absolute minimum. ROBOCUT design allows good accessibility to automation solutions. ROBOCUT Automated with Fanuc robots offers reliable unmanned production at an affordable price. Automated precision automatic cost cutting. Do more faster with Fanuc ROBOCUT.